Here at Visual Impact, we're on the Starleaton stand, and they've got a brand new product here. It's a sewing machine. Why a sewing machine? Well, all soft signage and industrial signage needs sewing and something attaching to it. And I'm with Nigel Reeve from a German company called Impulsor. He's going to tell you all about this technical sewing machine here, how it works, and give you a quick demo on it. Over to you, Nigel.
Thank you very much. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, one of the biggest growth industries at the moment is digital signage, which is light boxes. This machine is designed to actually sew automatically the silicone rubber to the machine with very little skill. So within basically a day, 2 days, we can have skilled operatives up to full production. So we start with the machine, just fully set, controlled by sensors. The conveyor system is synchronized to the speed of the machine. So we have the automatic cutting of the silicone SEG and automatic reinsertion back to the needle point.
Again, you've got to see this. This is the Epson die sub printer, 64 inches wide, and it's printing sublimation paper on Colden Hove paper, which is the best dye sublimation paper you can get, because all the gas goes out the back of the paper, and then when you come to sublimate it, you don't get that horrible bubbly and wrinkly effect. So they tell me it's Starleaton anyway. Something else not to be missed on the Starleaton stand is this new Laminator from Expro, which is a European company. 65-inch laminator, doesn't cost a lot of money. It's great for those that don't have really high productivity demands but want a really professional result. I'm now going to hand over to Andrea, who's come to us all the way from Italy, and he'll tell you all about it.
Thanks, Andy. So this is Expro brand. It's completely controlled by Flexi company, which has 25 years of experience on laminators, cutters, and some other equipment on the finishing. This specific one is 7 meters per minute speed with maximum thickness of 35 millimeter. It's controlled by the foot pedal as well as by automatic through the control panel. Very easy to use. As Andy said correctly, it doesn't cost so much, but it's so professional for low volume customers. Behind there's an Italian company for all the service. Thanks to Starleaton, we can ship to Australia and service to Australia all our equipment, including this one. The top roller is heated up to 60 degrees, is pneumatically lifted through the handle over there. What else to say? Just try it.
The best colour on textile is always done with sublimation. Now we've seen the sublimation with Colden Hove paper on the Epson printer, and this is another new product from Starleaton. It's a sublimation transfer laminator, if you will, that takes the colour from the paper, embeds it into the textile. And again, we have our friend Andrea here, and he's going to tell you all about it.
Thanks, Andy. Yeah, again, we are here introducing in Australia this Expro die sub calendar. It's called ES120. It's a shorter version than the Sublimix we are used to sell so far, with a very good success. And we decided to shorten the calendar because of the market demand. It's shrinking into this dimension in terms of width and in terms of affordable prices as well. This is a perfect combo with an entry-level printer. It is oil-filled drum. It's 200 millimeter diameter. It runs at a production speed of about 0.5 meter per minute. It's all controlled through the temperature control here. We use the same probes we do use on other more professional equipment from the Flexa range. Very easy to use. Blanket is self-centering. Same functions at Sublimix range at a smaller price at a narrower version.